Let's talk about these silly dispute templates. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. All right, I have been waiting to make this episode. I guess for a few months now. I just figured I'll just talk about it whenever I had some free time to really get into detail over it. So let's talk about using dispute templates that you may find on Google here, or you may see some type of do-it-yourself credit company app or something like that, where people are buying dispute templates. So letters that are already typed and everybody in the world can buy them and just put their name on it and mail it to the credit bureaus. Unfortunately, people do fall for that and they think it really works. But I am going to go into detail of how dispute templates work, or actually why they don't work, and go into detail over it. So, like I said, many people get these dispute templates off of Google here. So if I just move my mouse and you just search dispute letter on Google, you see some of these things pop up. You just put your name on it. Pretty much they all kind of say the same thing. They really just don't get into detail about anything. But what I'm getting here, these letters will never do anything for you out there. So what these dispute templates do, they just claim that an account does not belong to you, which means if you have a repo or a collection account or a late payment that's on your credit report, these dispute letters are just saying, this is not mine. I don't know where this came from. This needs to be removed off my credit report. You put your name on it and you mail it to the credit bureaus, and 9 times out of 10, it's going to come back verified. So that's why I say nothing actually works with these do-it-yourself packages or these dispute letters you find online for free. Now, with credit repair, there's so many methods behind credit repair, and it's not just sending out crazy letters over and over that just says this isn't mine. So with the credit repair process, there's about 100 different methods out there. However, it all comes down to 4 important methods that we really use. So the first method is just looking for any type of errors or mistakes on the account. You would be surprised how many people have errors on their credit reports or on certain accounts in general. Even as far as the account number being wrong, the balances, the payment amounts, the last payment dates, opening dates, etc. There can be so many, wrong information that is reporting on certain accounts. And any type of inaccurate information, you as a consumer have the right to have that removed or updated on your credit report. Number 2, asking to verify the item, even if it's 100% yours. If they can't prove that the item is yours or they can't validate the debt, then in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, that account must be removed. Number 3, any type of violations against the Fair Credit Reporting Act for the credit bureaus or the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. There's so many violations that some of these debt collectors do every single day. And, if the credit bureaus or anybody find out that these debt collection companies are violating any of your, rights, then their account is going to be blocked for reporting to your credit report. Another thing is, even if something 100% belongs to you, and if you just dispute it with the credit bureaus, if they don't respond within 30 days of the credit bureau's investigation, well, now that item is no longer verified, it gets removed. So I can just keep going on and on and on. There's so many different routes you can take versus sending in a crazy letter that says, oh, this isn't mine, delete it, because nothing's never going to get done. However, there is a 1% chance that I can literally get this letter right here, put my name on it, and dispute a hard inquiry for me applying for a credit card or something a few months ago. I can put my name on this, dispute the hard inquiry, and it may get deleted. Only if the company that's reporting the hard inquiry does not respond in 30 days to the credit bureau's investigation, that the credit bureaus have to delete that hard inquiry. So I know I applied for the credit card. I know the hard inquiry truly belongs to me, but I can literally print this letter out that says this hard inquiry isn't mine, put my name on it, mail it to the bureaus, and if that company doesn't respond to the bureaus in time, that item can get deleted. Now, like I said, the chances of that happening is very, very slim. However, I'm not going to depend on that. So what I'm getting at, if you want to do credit repair, and I'm not just saying you have to hire Sturgis Credit Repair or you have to enroll into anyone's credit repair service, because at the end of the day, credit repair is just a service. Just like every morning, people go to McDonald's and get a breakfast sandwich and coffee every morning. They can make their own sandwich and coffee at home for free, but if they don't have time or they just simply don't want to, then they hire McDonald's or pay for McDonald's and are going to get their coffee and food for breakfast before they go to work every day. Same thing with credit repair. You can learn all of these laws and methods in the credit repair world, but if you don't have time or you just simply don't feel like fooling with all of that, then you hire a credit repair service to do it for you. So like I say, I'm not telling anyone out there that they have to hire a credit repair service. You can, take a year, maybe 2 years learning all of these different methods and, just slowly do things for yourself. Or if you don't have time or just, want to jump straight into it, just hire a service. So if you have any questions regarding dispute letters or ways to get items removed off of your credit report, even if you don't want to sign up, still feel free to reach out to Sturgis Credit Repair. I personally can give you some advice on things that you can do on your own to potentially get something removed off of your credit report. So thank you for listening or watching this episode. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.